Today on Garage Guru TV, I'll show you how to squeeze 38 horsepower and 73 foot-pounds of torque more out of a 6.8-liter V10 Ford truck with Cat4Ward Shorty headers from JBA Performance Exhaust. Hi, this is DJ Martin and welcome to Garage Guru TV. Here we have the JBA Cat4Ward Shorty header system for our 2001 Ford F350 V10 project vehicle. These are a 50-state legal header that bolt up right to your catalytic converter so you don't have any issues smogging them. These headers will increase your power, torque, fuel efficiency, and give you a great sound. Let me walk you through some of the great features of these headers.
The JBA Cat4Ward Shorty header system is a 50-state legal header system that increases power, torque, fuel efficiency, and the sound of your engine, all while staying 50-state smog legal. They feature mandrel bent stainless steel primaries. V8 models have JBA's proprietary fire cone collector, factory-style emissions connections, extra thick collector domes, 3/8-inch thick CNC laser cut flanges, and have oversized exhaust ports. They offer the best flow, durability, and improved throttle response. The race-proven technology allows for maximum horsepower and torque gains. These headers will not distort like lesser quality headers, and they feature a 1-year limited warranty.
Now that we have our CARB exemption sticker on under the hood of our 2001 F350 V10 project vehicle, the installation of our JBA Cat4Ward headers is complete. It was a longer installation, it took it roughly 3 to 4 hours, but it wasn't too difficult, just basic hand tools and a little bit of elbow grease. We had to remove the fender liners in order to have access to some of the bolts, but after that the bolts came undone. We just had to remove the studs, and then we used some of the JBA hardware, the nicer hardware, on the collectors and the headers. If you want to see what JBA has for your vehicle, check out jbaheaders.com. We look forward to featuring JBA Performance Exhaust products on future episodes of Garage Guru TV. Thank you for tuning in to Garage Guru TV. I'll see you around.